for breaking news yensa aka and say aban ayenadwen say the Interministerial Committee on Illegal Mining aban ebema sebe womo yomonsa efri womo ejuma so na and that your first time we have subscribe na click the notification bell na no that screen so see how you say latest news be about once ebe kan dey atene say aban be dissolve the Interministerial Committee on Illegal Mining. Obibeka said it is a good move because Oshe nonsense scandals upon scandals are hated the members of the Interministerial Committee on Illegal Mining. Now Becca said, I said the fight against Galamsey, no, we didn't win. Now, MPP for General Secretary, I friend John Buedu, and that one no and or in same way etuja ewa Asempa FM. Now the entire word in 72 Jana say you decide say people are calling upon government to sack a year Professor Frimpong Boateng one no and an Interministerial Committee on Illegal Mining no one no na chairman. Na nkrofo say evidence about etre say one no kra no ne ba ye Galamsey one no kra man nkrofo asase ama nkrofo no ye Galamsey wo ma MPP fo asase ema MPP fo no ye Galamsey inti aban and dissolve Interministerial Committee no ena John Buedu ka say aban kra ye na say wo be dissolve na the catch me say senior ye ka say aban dissolve because of illegalities at air course no was that be aban be dissolve because aban fi say ejuma wode ahye Interministerial Committee ensano Interministerial Committee mo dise ejuma na wie ena me say hey Ghana has a moment say they've completed their mandate. Ejuma mo de show mo say wo munja Galamsey no wo mo ahwe so ma Galamsey na ejai enu hunti aban ebe dissolve omo sebe se mo be say mo de mo kan ne chair yes aban be dissolve mo kan ne say the enti aban be dissolve ne say they didn't meet the mandate na mo de mo be say they've completed their mandate enti na mo be dissolve aben enti John Buedu say yes aban cabinet aye meeting wo ho cabinet e decide say Interministerial Committee no ye ba be dissolve inti the coming up week during the days na ba no aban baba bonten na wo ma ye press conference na wo ma Ghana fo nia atiase say this particular committee no ye dissolve no for what a lot of Ghanaians didn't know. They said the Interministerial Committee was actually made up by and I can confirm our constitution the composition of the Interministerial Committee now. One, the Ministries of Environment, Science, Technology and Innovation. And a professor Frimpong Boateng were headed. Now one also and our chairman of the Interministerial Committee. Aside no other ministries are and also involved lands and natural resources. The local government and rural development ministry so eka chieftaincy and religious affairs ministry so ka regional reorganization and development monitoring and Ghana so say ministries in yati bebre pa say your ministry be a so friend regional reorganization and development monitoring and evaluation water and sanitation ni ministry ana wo Interior Ministry so can Defense and Information Ministry so eka so these ministries actually made up the Interministerial Committee on Illegal Mining. Inti yase so omo be dissolve ya ye di ejuma ni na ebe share the I think lands and natural resources because social lands and natural resources are initially nanko womo ena womo share say will be episode wo to gold will be person small scale mining na nanka lands and natural resources for her and our moko and at say Galamsey and say you can see the stopping your man environmental and science technology ministry ebe share ano another tenano into say ye resolving na and sorry ye dissolving na yes also add they come back to lands and natural resources into that is the news coming through now. Ngofo bi atenase ehune say oh we there clearly the government is lying in the sense say aban there there's no time e Ghana ha say and aban bi eni ho e Ghana ha say corruption akoso a aban na ba bonten eden ne say ni bu ka say ya gye atum say corruption akoso aban bi eni wa wo yesa it in ngrofo kan say the main reason ye dissolve no one aside the fact say 2020 election year no two a lot of Ghanaians are calling for that. Even the NDC, I have a story right in front of me and I can draw. I was a medeba, but me time and your story now bremo. Now NDC for a press conference can say yen dissolve the interministerial committee no. Now Professor Frimpong Boateng so yen arresting no. During the day today, I'll bring you that story. So even the NDC were calling for dissolving of the interministerial committee. Aside that, no, uko krom eko bisaga na for an angrofo bebre so air call for that. Say yen dissolve. It's people feel say Aban air responded to the masses. Now so Aban air said that at the far reason won't say Udentia ye dissolve no and say mandate ya demo almost say womo hwe na galamsey etuo ntwa e wo Ghana no womo ahwe e magalamsey ni tuo ntwa into mo adwuma no abewie ye ba me ne wo yenim say galamsey na tuo ntwa ye. Still water bodies are being destroyed. Ngrofo hyenre still womo tu galamsey no illegally. Into who brands are reasons now yenim say and that's our reasons no. But you want to respond to the people, but you don't want to accept say nekre they failed. And me the story bramo Kennedy Japan. What kind? Was it one thing na MPPA Philippe galamsey no Kennedy Japan what kind of credit. So even some people in MPP are saying say indeed they failed. It is a more chamo other try and say oh you've passed into na more we are, then clearly you are deceiving us, and we know you are deceiving us. And you know, if we are counting on the scandals Abosa interministerial committee the first one some the secretariat Anas I remember Anas called expose Charles Bishop. That was the first one. See it in same so sanso sisi womu and I'm missing excavators see you better say some missing excavators in ma assembly cra e beda na kese so of missing excavators assembly by no and no e ma ye che sa ekoewusi na ye be che ekoewusi no e na wono so ekọ eye Professor Kwabena Frimpong Manson ne of Mrs. Kwabena Frimpong Manson sorry Professor Kwabena Frimpong Boateng ne office and I was recording conversation and also Babonti and you say say chairman na what interministerial committee na no kra no say wono so ne de emunye. We've seen a lot of damage control koso, but at long last Aban dissolve the interministerial committee. Na some ba kaya and na no me bo audio ne trem no me mamoti ase say John Boedu ye bonidin ewom e was am missing excavators in same nimu. John Boedu aba bonten e be ka say wono de wonim hwie fa sa am missing excavators ne ho ati ase wo se wono no de si ene say MPP fo bi e na ye pese ye mo adwuma say you will be a friend community mining. Now, our community mining no, is different from galamsey. Community mining is actually legal. It is our community mining. And as a motive say, you boni di wom say one also in here excavators ni biya koye bibia. Now, yes, our community mining no. Until you say one no illegal mining biya. And only as a John Boedu ekaye was saying he has no hand in the disappearance of the excavators. And now me know say some of the excavators ye one. Now and I was listening to GH1 MPP communicator be will be good. Let me just advise the MPP communicators. Sir, interministerial committee assembly and I'm missing excavators no. Uni ma men kasa wo ho. No matter how I will feel say it was all babonti ebeye damage control. No matter how I will babonti abeye no ugu woni mu ase because it is clear. And people communicated here na meeting no was yo the excavators are not missing. Nah, it's just that they are not being accounted for. Na me kai sewa mebo sewa miri abaso. And I sewa miri eko read letter Professor Frimpong Boateng edema police for and a police for ankasa press release ahead the no one trust and missing excavators. And I say one America trying to say who NPP communicator police for abontin the cast excavators na era who NPP no be so the excavators na era after the one who baby awode fa any police for na asem no more can and I say police for asem no more can if the police for any one mere citizen na ka when na asem ye tro e wo book mu after wo gina ho hu de obeka na wo ko read comment na no obi aka NPP ni ye we gu ni mu ase the NPP communicators this missing excavator and nsem no mamo nkasa e wo ho na ye ni say eye no hu nti e na ende interministerial committee no ye dissolve it. You and I we know but aban won ba bonti e beka e na enye Akufo-Addo aban pe Mahama aban so sa time corruption ko so na mo ba bonti e be dissolve bibia we so ma sheda common reason bi na so ye ni say eye corruption na ko so ni ntia no ma sa reason no inti they can decide to say whatever they want to say but you and I we know and we've accepted say yes the interministerial committee on illegal mining it needs to be dissolved and then they are buying a dissolving because of the things that have gone there or that have gone on there. Montreal one comment box for me that's it.